Master Blends, right?
Yeah, this Master Blends.
He got his own YouTube channel.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked hot honey lemon pepper wings. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get started on these chicken wings. We're going to go through all the ingredients. You're going to need your little bit of W sauce, or you can use some olive oil. The seasonings, we're going to be using this lemon pepper stepper. It's like a lemon pepper blend from AC Barbecue. We're going to be using some of that. Also going to be using this sweet pepper honey chicken from Fire and Smoke Society. And for the hot honey, I'm going to be trying this Mike's hot honey infused with chilies. So if you want to make your own, feel free to go ahead and do that. But I'm trying to make this simple. Hey, because you know what time it is. I'm ready to eat. Also, you're going to need your lemon. So we're just going to need a little bit of the lemon juice. So, okay, go ahead and take your W sauce or your olive oil. We're going to go ahead and coat these wings up. Just doing like a little binder. Don't need much. Go ahead and mix this up. All right, go ahead and put your seasonings in. All right, go ahead and mix those up. All right, and this is what it looks like after you put that seasoning on there. We're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. We're gonna throw it on the smoker. Catch you in a minute. All right, we got the smoker sitting at 275 degrees. Let's go ahead and put these wings on. Just like that right there, we're gonna go ahead and smoke these for 45 minutes. I'm gonna come back out here, I'm gonna flip them over. Catch you in a minute. All right, my timer went off at 45 minutes, so this is what we're looking like after about 45 minutes. Still nowhere near time to pull these off, but you can see that color really popping through. We're gonna let these cook for another 45 minutes or until they reach around 165, 170. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make this hot honey sauce for these wings. We're just gonna use that Mike's hot honey right here. We're gonna go ahead and pour some of that in. Take some more of that lemon pepper stepper. Get you a lemon or some lemon juice. Pour that in there. All right, and get you something to mix it with. Just like that right there. And we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna sit this in the grill, let it warm up, let it get a little looser. Then we're gonna go ahead and pour it all over them wings. I'll catch y'all in a sec. All right, I checked the temps on all these. They all sitting over 170 degrees, so that means it's time to take these things off. Go ahead and put that hot honey sauce on. Hey, catch you in a minute. All right, y'all, there you have it. Got those smoked hot honey lemon pepper wings. Man, it don't get no better than this right here. Take a look at this. Actually, it do. Watch this. Oh yeah, let's put a little bit more of that hot honey on there. Man, it don't get no better than this, man. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Let me know if you try to make this. Let me know what you think. So once again, my name is Trey. This is the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. Hey, it's time to eat.